Okay, now I give one opportunity to the BJP leaders before I open this debate. That here's one opportunity, admit your fault. You say you won't polarize, but you polarize.
I would also like to make a remark.
Yes, Gaurav.
Arnab, first of all, I would like to say that Mr. Amit Shah
Arnab,
has already been
you're directing your
censured by
questions
the
at the wrong
Election Commission
parties.
of India.
It is the Samajwadi Party, the Congress Party, and
Arnab,
every other
if
party
nobody would interrupt, it would be nice. I would be able to make my comments.
Mr. Rao, Gaurav wanted to make a point. I'll let him.
The letter by Sushil Kumar Shinde.
No.
You have the letter from
Just look
Sushil
at the
Kumar
kind of
Shinde
interruptions
written to
they
all
make
the
when
chief
you're trying to
ministers,
make a point.
asking them to withdraw cases against Muslim alleged terror suspects. I think this was blatant.
What happened to your development
I
debate?
would like to come in, Arnab.
No, 1 second. 1 minute. Gaurav Bhatia is responding to you. Mr. Rao, 1 minute. Mr. Rao, okay. Took your point. Gaurav Bhatia.
It's a bouquet of issues.
Gaurav Bhatia.
When the development agenda of Mr. Narendra Modi has failed, then they are resorting to cheap tactics of communal politics,
You cannot
which started from Muzaffarnagar, which started from 84 Kos Parikrama Yatra.
I try to understand what they are doing.
Mr. Amit
Look
Shah,
how they pitted themselves in Eastern UP.
who himself has been charge-sheeted in a murder case. He goes to Azamgarh, where the environment is otherwise also volatile because of the acts of BJP, and he generalizes to say that all Muslim youths are indulging in terrorist activities. Second, he says people of Azamgarh are prone to terrorist activities. He also gives an example that for a terrorist act in Gujarat, the youth who was caught was from Azamgarh. What kind of reference
Can you,
is this?
no, 1 second. You are also taking the argument a bit too far. 1 minute. You're taking the argument a bit too far. Let me ask the Congress Party representative. 1 second. Congress Party representative Rita Bahuguna Joshi, if you're going to be absolutely objective on the News Hour debate tonight, then my question to you is this. Is it not true that there is an Azamgarh module of the Indian Mujahideen? Has this not been documented? Is this not revealed in... No, Gaurav, 1 minute. Gaurav.
Module in a particular constituency.
Gaurav, please.
Let us understand.
Gaurav, let her speak.
Let us understand.
Constituency become terrorist.
The question is to Miss Rita Bahuguna
Please,
Joshi.
Gaurav, let me speak. Let me speak. Let me put across facts as they are.
Rita Bahuguna Joshi.
Arnab, you have to understand what statement. I heard the statement. And it clearly said that this land, which was a land of saints and scholars, and has now become a land of terrorists. He has made a general statement where the entire district has been castigated as a terror district. Now look what they are doing. Please try to understand. Muzaffarnagar they did to polarize Western UP. Now in Eastern UP they know they didn't have a single seat, single MP in the last election. They have Mahant in Gorakhpur. They have pitted Amit Shah in Azamgarh. And he himself, Modi, went to Faizabad. And from 3 centers, they are trying to polarize the election. Totally. I don't buy Mr. Jaitley's argument. He took the name of Lord Ram. Lord Ram's name was taken at least half a dozen times.
In the context of Ram Rajya.
Everybody knows that Modi ji's program is preceded by a group of specialists.
When you talk
a team of specialists who always precede the programs of Mr. Modi.
No, 1 second. 1 minute. Now we're shifting subjects. Now we're shifting subjects. Let me come in. 1 second. We're shifting subjects. We're shifting. We're shifting subjects.
See, they want to polarize votes in Eastern UP. They want to do to Eastern UP what they did to Western UP.
And what are you doing by getting? What are you doing by getting the Muslim clinic from Gujarat? 1 minute. Rita Bahuguna Joshi. I am asking Miss Joshi. I am asking Miss Joshi.
Campaigning.
I am asking Miss Joshi. And what are you doing by getting the Muslim clinic who refused the skull cap to campaign? What are you doing?
But please understand. Understand if some cleric is coming and saying vote for
some cleric.
That is a different issue. The Shankaracharya from Puri is coming to campaign for Mr. Modi. It's a separate. Baba Ramdev has gone all over the country asking for votes for BJP. But when you talk about Hindus and Muslims in the terms that these people are doing, what Man does, he makes hate speeches. What Amit Shah has done, he's made a hate speech. What Mr. Modi did was to polarize the Hindus. They are deliberately trying to polarize
Come on, I
Eastern
think
UP. Please try to understand this is a deliberate game plan.
Running a very
The party that has started
healthy
this
campaign.
We have
You've
understood
been
your
making
game
all
plan.
sorts of
You have no
allegations.
children.
You have met
And the
with-
people are watching you very closely. You are a frustrated lot. You know you're not getting what you're anticipating.
One at a time again,
Get
please.
into power.
you're
And you
running
can
a
even
clean
flow
campaign.
blood to get into
been trying
power.
to polarize
You are
votes all over Uttar
desperate. You are
Pradesh and
desperate.
Bihar.
And you know
And
that
in
you are
fact, your leader
frustrated.
said-
You're not getting
Your
the
leader
number of
Sonia
seats you
Gandhi has
thought.
told
Your Gujarat model
minorities
nobody's
not to
buying.
split their vote.
Gujarat model of governance
What does that
nobody's
mean?
buying in the country. So you're becoming personal. You're
I
becoming
see.
communal,
Arnab-
and this is what you're doing to
Arnab,
the
why
nation.
should
You're trying to
your
polarize
leader
the
Sonia
nation.
Gandhi shed
You talk
tears
in
campaigning
you talk in
for the
Kamal
alleged terrorists, but
in
not for the
Assam,
victims.
A minute,
in West
please.
Bengal, now
Why
in
should we not
Lucknow,
be
A minute.
and in Faizabad and
A
Azamgarh.
minute, please.
You will not
1 minute,
allow this.
please. Just a minute, please. I now, before I wrap up, I want to settle one question.
Mr.
Just one
Amit
question.
Shah,
Gaurav, a minute,
why
please.
shouldn't he be banned
Gaurav, a
from
minute,
campaigning?
please. The picture of Narendra Modi today, can it be put on the screen, please? Narendra Modi making the speech in Faizabad, not Amethi. Faizabad, not Amethi. Let's go full frame with that picture. Now, Narendra Modi makes a speech. And this is where he makes a speech right behind him in the backdrop.
Hologram behind him.
Right behind him. And that's when he's making the speech.
This is a sensitive area. This matter is pending before the Supreme Court.
What
And
matter?
look at the conduct of the BJP. This Ram temple issue is pending before the Supreme Court. And
Come
this
on,
is the
if
second
you
instance
want
that
what
they have
to only
used an
simply-
image.
No, let him complete.
What
No,
Azam
no,
Khan
let Gaurav
speaks.
speak. Let Gaurav
It's an
speak.
act of frustration.
Listen,
It's an
the
act of
BJP should
frustration.
know that the
It's
matter
not
pertaining to
votes.
the Ram
Polarized
temple
votes.
Babri Masjid
Win the
dispute
elections.
is pending before the Supreme Court. And what are they doing? They go to
We have
Faizabad
stated as much
and
in our
they have the
manifesto.
picture of Lord Rama. BJP is the only party that does it. No other party has been using images of God except the BJP.
It's not a
And the
local
Election
mistake.
Commission of India
It's not
should
a local
ban
mistake.
never.
Kamal Farooqui, Kamal Farooqui, Kamal Farooqui. I have 2 minutes left, so please listen to me. I need your cooperation. Kamal Farooqui, the BJP
It is
says,
Mr. Modi's.
the
it's
BJP
Modi's
says it's a
strategy.
mistake. The BJP says Kamal Farooqui galti ho gayi, it's a mistake.
It's not.
Arnab, this is the
It's
second time.
deliberate.
This is not the first time.
Is it a mistake
Happened in one more rally.
Arnab,
or is it deliberate?
Arnab, yes, it was. Yes, it was a mistake. It was a blunder. It could be a kind of polarizing the whole thing Mr. Modi has done. And please, on Azamgarh, the statement which has been made by Mr. Amit Shah and my dear friend Mr. Narasimhan also making the same kind. Neither we can give any clean chit to any particular person, nor the entire community and the entire area could be blamed as the terrorist. This is highly objectionable.
No
This is
community
polarizing
has
the
been
whole thing.
blamed.
Yes,
I
whosoever
think
is the
Farooq-
terrorist should be penalized.
Mr. Farooqui,
But you
please
cannot
don't-
generalize the whole thing.
please
You
feed
cannot
the
generalize the
statement
whole
with
area.
proper
You cannot
light.
generalize the community.
No, you
This
see,
is
when
what
you
actually
talk
our
of-
objection
Mr.
is.
Modi-
No, I think let me answer that, Arnab. When you talk of Dantewada, you talk of this as a Naxal district. Does it mean everyone who lives in Dantewada is a Naxal? That would be atrocious to make that statement. So therefore, when you say Azamgarh is a den of terrorists, there are a large number of terror suspects who have emanated from Azamgarh.
A person who was from
Don't
Azamgarh.
Gaurav Bhatia, Gaurav Bhatia is responding.
That-
One at a
don't
time.
do that,
Gaurav Bhatia,
innocent,
sir.
Mr.
It doesn't
Mr.
mean-
Narasimhan,
it
don't
doesn't
try
mean
to be
everyone
innocent.
is a suspect.
Yeah. Your leader, Mr. Narendra Modi, he refers to a youth in Azamgarh and he says the attack that happened in Gujarat was due to a youth in Azamgarh. So all attacks all over India are only happening because of youth.
I'm
who are
asking-
living in Azamgarh.
no, I'm
this is
asking-
a
Finding.
That is the
Come
anomaly
on,
that
this
he
is a
trying to
finding
say.
of the NIA,
Obnoxious
which is under the supervision of the
Obnoxious
central government.
statement.
This was a finding of the NIA.
Rita Bahuguna
If you are
Joshi,
unaware,
Ms.
what can
Joshi.
I tell you?
NIA has
Ms.
not
Joshi,
said that
Ms.
the
Joshi of the
entire
Congress
is
Party, Ms. Joshi.
With the same
Please
pride.
correct your
Mr.
figures.
Rao, listen to the Congress Party responsive.
These
3
are not
versus 2.
findings of the Gujarat police.
1 minute. 1
And it's
minute.
deliberate. It's
Rita Bahuguna
deliberate.
Joshi. Rita Bahuguna Joshi says it's deliberate. I want her to be heard. Ms. Joshi.
I'm saying it's a deliberate statement, it's obnoxious, it's an attempt to polarize the votes, and it's a strategy of Mr. Modi himself. Mr. Modi is designing everything in this campaign, right from the dress to the lotus that everybody will wear, to the dais, to the speeches. Everything is being managed by him, and whatever is being done is deliberate, and it is being under desperation and frustration. Frustration because they are watching that their model of development is not being bought by the people. So they were personalizing this election, they are polarizing this election, and they will fail in this. So
Okay, Rita Bahuguna Joshi, Gaurav Bhatia,
The
Kamal
man's
Farooqui,
there,
GVL Narasimha
Gorakhpur,
Rao.
Amit Shah there.
and Jay Narayan Vyas.
No, but Arnab,
Thank you very much.
Banned by the Election Commission of India.
Thank you very much for joining me on debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight.